Today I'm back on the road again. I think I will continue towards Molde. At the moment I'm here at Sjøholt. There's a famous gas station here where all the motorcyclists tends to meet. We just call it Stoppen. And I think I'm going to continue over the mountains and down to Vestnes, ferry over to Molde, and if I'm lucky with the weather, I think I will take a closer look at the Atlantic coast road today. So yeah, I'm not sure where the road takes me quite yet, but I hope to get some really good footage on the way there. Oops. I'm here at Hustadvika, right before you come to Atlanterhavsveien. It's a really beautiful place, but it's so windy I cannot put up my drone to film a lot, so I'll see if I can manage to get some footage with my camera afterwards. I just want to grab a cup of coffee and I will do some filming, and I will continue to ride over the Atlantic Ocean road. The trip from Molde up to this place is not that interesting, but when you come out here in the open, when you see right out in the North Sea, it's pretty amazing. this is the Atlantic Coast Road, and to be honest, it's a while since I've been here last, and I thought, well, it's only 5-minute driving and it's all over, but when I came back up here, if you take the time to look at all the side roads and everything this place has to offer, it is truly one amazing place. I'm just blown away by the beauty up here. So it's a little bit far to drive, but if you haven't been here before, put it on your bucket list, because this is spectacular, to say the least. And if you're lucky, there's a little bit wind up here, like it is today, so there's a little bit waves crushing towards the bridges and stuff like that. So yeah. It should be on your bucket list. I found this amazing friluftsområde, as we say in Norway. There's a little place here that they set up a grill and a little place with some furniture so you can enjoy the scenery. So I'm gonna pitch my hammock here, and I'm gonna make myself some dinner, and yeah, I'm gonna continue the trip tomorrow. I don't want to drive too much more today because the weather is it's getting more cloudy, and I think we will have some rain tonight, even though the weather forecast for tomorrow say it will be pretty nice. Fucking ants. The famous Pico knife, amazing, custom made. Well, on today's menu is egg and bacon, because I was at the local shop here and it was a really poor selection of food and groceries, so I just did some, because I really want egg and bacon tomorrow morning when I wake up. So I thought, what the hell, I could make egg and bacon this evening as well. I really enjoy this campsite, because it's a little bit windy on the coastline that is on the other side of this little hill here. So here's no wind at all. So I'm gonna enjoy a good meal, and then I'm gonna crawl into my hammock, and I think I'm gonna go to sleep early today, and maybe I can continue my trip early tomorrow morning.